Back everyone. You may be in a situation where either your volume or your sound is just not working on your iPhone. Now, this can happen for a ton of different reasons, but the very first thing I would recommend you to look at is to switch your iPhone to the side and to actually see if your iPhone is on silent mode. So, if this ringer switch right here that pretty much every single iPhone that's ever came out has had, if it's in the down position, and you can see a little red dot there too, that means your iPhone is in silent mode. Now, sometimes for some reason, the silent mode does dictate whether your specific volume is up or down, so without tinkering around any settings that you may have, all you can do is just bring your settings specific little ringer option up like this. You'll get a little pop-up right there, and your phone volume should be working right now. So whether your ringtone isn't working or whether you're watching a Snapchat and that's not working either, well, typically what you can do is go ahead and put this in the upright position, and that typically should fix the problem at least for a couple of different things. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing I would recommend doing is specifically being in that application that you want to go ahead and actually fix it for. So if it's an Instagram video you're not watching or whatever, you may want to go ahead and click the volume up or volume down button and see if that actually fixes the issue. And you can see with the side right here, the volume gets louder and louder as I go ahead and click up, and the volume gets lower and lower as you click down. So as long as the bar is at a decent value that you can hear the specific volume from, you should be good to go. But another thing you can do is actually swipe down from the top right, and you'll see this little sound bar right in this little option. Most iPhones will probably have it nowadays. All you have to do is make sure the volume is at a peak where you can hear it from. Maybe that's a little bit too high, but you can go ahead and increase or decrease the sound like that, and you can pretty much just maneuver through that way, and you should be good to go there too. Again, it's not a guarantee, but typically those things should fix it for the most part. Now, if none of those things fix it, another thing you can do is try updating your iPhone or even restarting your iPhone. So go ahead and hold up the volume down and the volume up button, or the volume up button and the power button. Slide the power off your phone and turn it back on and see if that fixes the issue as well. Like I mentioned, most of the time, little things like this typically get fixed with, little things like restarting your iPhone, but sometimes you may have to update your iPhone as well. So you may want to make your way over to your settings application like this. You want to scroll down until you see general, which is right here. You want to click on software update, and you want to see if there is an update available for your phone. If there is, you want to update to it. If there isn't, I'd probably recommend rewatching this video and going from there. Typically, it should be fixed for the most part as of this point. Now, if none of those things fix it, I would recommend making sure you're not connected to any other Bluetooth devices either. Things like AirPods, Bluetooth headphones, things like that. You want to make sure you're not connected to those either. So, in terms of that, that covers it up there. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.